45 volts.
45 box.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Hello? Can I come in?
Yeah, of course.
Awesome.
Most definitely.
Nice. I like the back glass I was checking out. It's pretty sweet.
Yeah. It's 2-scar VXFs on 10K.
10K. Well, oh, so two of the base 5Ks. Okay.
Yes, there's two. There's one base 5K on each.
Are these the dual twos?
They're dual twos, yeah.
Dual twos, so one
They're
of
stock. They're stock VXFs.
Okay.
People said that it couldn't be done.
And it's a 6th order.
Yes, indeed. 1-to-1 for music. It has the rear's tuned to 30, the front's tuned to 42. It has an active bandwidth from 18 to 74.
Wow.
Definitely, it's definitely a.
You built this?
Yeah.
Very nice work. And you kind of.
I ain't even finished it. I started it. I never got a chance to really get into it. I started on the fractal burning because I'm going to start doing the whole
That looks
face
really
in.
good.
It has glow-in-the-dark pigment that glows aqua blue when you turn the lights off. It's going to look like one big lightning bolt on the front.
And you've done some work, and you didn't do B-pillar, so you had more seat room.
Well, that's the thing.
Yeah.
You couldn't go total B-pillar.
Yeah.
And it definitely plays real well.
Have you clamped it just to know the...
8,300 watts
Ooh,
to the
man.
pad.
And it's...
And the fucked up thing is that's 1,500 watts to a company that don't know their own specs.
Yeah. Wow.
You know, they
Yes, sir.
say that it's 1,500 watts conservative rating.
Yeah.
I've done push the element, and I can still play in the 20s.
Yeah, that's really good, man.
Like, really nicely.
Yes,
and
sir.
I'll play that all day, sir.
Yes, sir. Awesome. Thank you very much. Hey, what was your name?
Keep cutting. They call me the Mad Scientist.
The Mad Scientist. All right.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Woo. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vila. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We just got to the Mad Scientist system. Pretty impressive that he was putting a 5,000 watt amplifier on each of these 1,500 watt RMS rated subwoofers. This was at the Jacksonville, Florida Summer Showcase Showdown in 2021. Getting to upload it. Go ahead and give him a like if you haven't already, as well as comment. Give him some positive things you like about his system. Definitely a lot of good things to see about this. Recommend watching the whole video. You're going to see a loud demo to see some really good outside inside flex tearing up his vehicle. So from the back view, where earlier I was showing you a little bit of subflex while he was demoing another person, you can actually see into the back of the box. I don't know what thickness that glass was, but if you look closely behind these subwoofers, there's a port back there that makes this a 6th order enclosure, and he was telling us the tunings earlier. So that makes this a very unique style box because he had to build into the vehicle, not just slide a box in with the ported enclosure. This is actually a bottom chamber underneath of these 15-inch subwoofers as well. And they were rated at 1,500 watts conservatively, if he was talking about clamping over 4,000 watts on a burp to these subwoofers, so definitely handling the power, and he was metering pretty well as well. Another thing I like about it is the way he has the layout of the front of the box. He foamed around the box to seal it off. You can kind of see where the box layout is started on the outside edges of the border, and then he kind of walled it off from there and sealed it off on the side panels. It had a good bandwidth playing into the teen frequencies all the way up into the 60 to 70 hertz range he was talking about. So we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily cardio videos, as well as add me on all my social media at Jacob Vile, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Enjoy. Awesome. Love to hear it. Man, you put some power on them subs.
And they freaking love it.
Wow, awesome.
They
Thank you very
love it.
much.
Good
That's
shit.
awesome, man.
Good shit.
That's impressive right there.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
the power you're putting on those, have you clamped it just to know the...
8,300 watts
Ooh,
to the
man.
power.
And it's...
And the fucked up thing is that's 1,500 watts to a company that don't know their own specs.
Yeah. Wow.
You know, they
Yes, sir.
say that it's 1,500 watts conservative rating.
Yeah.
I've done push the element, and I can still play in the 20s.
Yeah, that's really good, man.
Like, really nicely.
Yes,
and
sir.
I'll play that all day, sir.
Yes, sir. Awesome. Thank you very
Have a good
much.
one, man.
Hey, what was your name?
You cutting. They call me the Mad Scientist.
The Mad Scientist. All right.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.